All right, here's the project that we have in Santa Monica. We have our electrician formally did the connection for the low voltage and it was not working. All right, so here is what he did. This is Mike, a low voltage expert, and he's coming in and he is fixing the problem right now.
First, I'm cutting all the bad ones. So basically, when you're crimping these, you can hire a professional to do it, or you can try it yourself. If you try it yourself and you go to Home Depot or any average place, you're not going to get the proper tools.
Right.
So it's important to make sure you do use good tools. Tools are what make the job.
Makes sense.
There were two problems with this job. First of all, they used the wrong tools.
Yeah.
So they used a crimp that was just subpar.
Yeah.
And then secondly, they actually probably didn't know the color code too well. So this was doomed. It was never going to work.
Not the right connection, right?
Yeah. Not the right color. So anytime you see somebody using average tools or bad tools,
yeah,
or anytime you see somebody using a YouTube video to actually do the work, you should definitely run.
That's funny because that guy pulled out his phone and turned on YouTube.
Yeah, and
when I walked in the job.
He didn't even watch the right video.
And I freaked out. I was like, this is not a good sign.
But I'll show you this. Come closer, cool. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, and now this is actually a lesson in how to do this. Yeah. This will be better than the YouTube video you watch. I've been doing this 25 years.
Yeah.
But there are 8 cables. All the colors are very important, or 8 wires. All the colors are important. There are, in our termination tip, there are 8 pins that are associated with each one of these wires. There's 8 of these.
Right.
Inside this is 8 sleeves, or little channels that we slide these into.
Yep.
So, very important that when you're doing it, you have to prep this properly. First, you have to get the colors right. So, pin 1 through 8. Pin 1 is going to be orange yellow, or orange white, excuse me.
Yeah.
Pin 2 is orange, okay? Pin 3 is green.
Cool.
I'm sorry, green white. Sorry.
Green white.
Pin 3. So as I'm getting these in order, what I'm doing is prepping them to get ready to go into that sleeve perfectly.
Okay.
So I'm loading them into my finger so that they're ready. And this is the magic. Whereas if I didn't know how to do this, I would then go to Home Depot and buy these crappy tips, and it would try and help me do it for me. But since you know what you're doing, so now we use, that was pin 3, which was green white.
Green white.
Now we do pin 4 and 5, which is blue white, and blue and blue white. And as I'm, again, the whole time I'm loading it into my finger, I'm prepping it, loading it in. Now pin 6 is green, so there's pin 6.
Cool.
Actually, I'm sorry, pin 6, yes.
6, yeah.
And now here comes pin 7, which I load in, and then 8.
8.
So again, the color code is very important.
Cool.
And as I flatten these out, they are going, I give them the perfect haircut.
Oh man, it make it look so easy. That's great.
Perfect haircut, which is, if it doesn't look like this, fire the guy.
Yeah.
And then we just, because I've got them loaded in my finger perfectly and don't let go, they slide right in.
Beautiful. Okay? And I love the detail that you did here when you have the plastic sleeve. It's going to be actually inside the thing.
It's inside so that this way when it grips, it's gripping the sleeve.
Right,
it should always grip the sleeve.
Yeah.
So that gives it strength.
And then you crimp it in to stabilize it.
Yep.
Got it. Beautiful. Thank you, man. Thank you. No problem. We're going to fire this baby up.